Looking for top-notch slider windows installation in Taylor MI? Our local window company specializes in providing high-quality window installation services in Taylor, Michigan. Whether you need custom slider windows or vinyl slider windows, our Taylor MI window experts are here to help. We offer a wide range of window replacement services in Taylor, ensuring your home is equipped with the best energy-efficient windows Taylor, Michigan has to offer. When it comes to window replacement Taylor, our team is dedicated to delivering affordable window solutions tailored to your needs. Our window contractors in Taylor MI are experienced in handling all types of window renovation services in Taylor, Michigan. From window frame replacement to window glass replacement, Taylor, Michigan, we ensure your windows are in perfect condition. Energy-efficient windows are a must for any home in Taylor MI. Our energy-efficient windows Taylor, Michigan are designed to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. With double-pane windows Taylor MI and insulated windows Taylor, Michigan, you can enjoy a more sustainable and cost-effective home environment. For those seeking modern slider windows, Taylor, our window design services in Taylor offer a variety of styles and options. Our professional window services, Taylor, Michigan, include everything from window fitting services, Taylor, Michigan, to window maintenance services, Taylor MI. We pride ourselves on providing quality window products Taylor MI that enhance the aesthetic and functionality of your home. If you're in need of window replacement services in Taylor, Michigan, look no further. Our residential window services, Taylor MI, cover everything from sliding glass windows, Taylor MI, to window frame replacement, Taylor MI. We are committed to providing the best window replacement Taylor has to offer, ensuring your windows are always in top shape. Home window upgrades. Taylor, Michigan are essential for maintaining the value and efficiency of your property. Our window renovation Taylor services include custom slider windows, Taylor MI, and vinyl slider windows, Taylor, Michigan, perfect for any home improvement project. Trust our Taylor MI window experts to deliver exceptional results every time. Our local window company, Taylor MI, is dedicated to providing the best window installation services in Taylor, Michigan. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, we offer a comprehensive range of window fitting services in Taylor, Michigan. From window design, Taylor to window maintenance services Taylor MI, we have all your window needs covered. Choose our window contractors Taylor for all your window renovation services in Taylor, Michigan. We specialize in modern slider windows Taylor MI and offer a variety of affordable window solutions, Taylor, Michigan. Our professional window services, Taylor, Michigan, ensure your home is equipped with the latest in window technology and design.